In this video lesson, we will look at types of trends in bivariate data, which involves time series as an independent variable. Time series data are any data that have time as the independent variable. The data are graphed and the graphs are used to determine if trend is present in the data. Identifying a trend can help when making predictions about the future. Now we are going to look at different types of trends. General upward or downward trend. This graph shows upward trend in temperature as the day proceeds. Cyclical pattern displays fluctuation which repeat but usually take longer than a year to repeat. For example, this graph shows software products sold over number of years. A seasonal pattern displays fluctuations that repeat at the same time each week, month, or quarter and usually last less than 1 year. The graph below shows the peak selling time for houses is in the spring. Random pattern. They do not show any regular fluctuation. They are usually caused by unpredictable events such as economic recession. Trends can work in combinations. For example, you can have seasonal and upward. So here the sales is going up but with some season. Let's look at an example. Here the data were recorded about the number of families who moved from Sydney to Orange over the last 10 years. Use technology to construct a time series graph with a line of best fit. Then describe the trend, measure the correlation, comment on the result. Now, you can use spreadsheet and then you can insert scatter chart and also trend line. Trend line is same as the line of best fit. If you use a function correlation, that gives you the coefficient of correlation. Describe the trend. There appears to be upward trend over the 10 years. If you go back to the graph, so it's upward trend over the 10 years. Measure the correlation. If you use a correlation CORREL function in spreadsheet, that gives you the correlation coefficient, which is 0.873654 in this case. Comment on the result. Over the last 10 years, an increasing number of families have decided to make the move from Sydney to Orange. The correlation is strong and positive because it's high value, so making it possible to predict that this trend is likely to continue.